Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a full guide on how to add an Instagram note. Instagram notes are a great way to share thoughts, ideas, or important information with your followers. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Play and update the Instagram app to the latest version on your Android device. Step 2. Open the Instagram app on your device. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll find the direct messaging DM section, represented by a message bubble icon. Tap on it. Step 4. On the DM page, you'll see a section at the top called Notes. Step 5. Click on the plus button to add a new note. Step 6. You can choose to share the note with your close friends or with followers that you follow back. Step 7. Once you're done, click Share to post your note. Here's a helpful tip. If the user allows it, you can also tag someone on your note. Simply type @ followed immediately by their username. With these easy steps, you can now add Instagram notes and share your thoughts with your followers. Don't forget to get creative and have fun with it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks.